In the last video, we have seen how binary numbers can be converted into decimal numbers. So in this video, we will discuss about how octal numbers and hexadecimal numbers are converted into decimal numbers. So first we will see how octal is converted into decimal. So the steps are, you have to multiply every digit in the octal number system with powers of 8, and then you have to add up the products. So this represents the weights associated with every digit portions of the octal number system. 8 raised to 0, 8 raised to 1, the powers are increasing towards left and the powers are decreasing towards right. Okay, so we will see uh, how the octal number 123 is converted into decimal number. So we know that 123, this has got the weight 8 raised to 0, and this portion has got the weight 8 raised to 1, and this portion has got the weight 8 raised to 2. So in order to find out the decimal equivalent of 123, you have to multiply every digit with its corresponding weight. So this is 3 into 8 raised to 0 plus 2 into 8 raised to 1 plus 1 into 8 raised to 2. So which will give you 64, 16 and 3. Then you have to add up these products which will give you 83. So 123 in octal number is equal to 83 in decimal. So let's see more examples of converting octal number to decimal number. The first example is 253.64. Again, here the power is 8 raised to 0. So let's say the power only. I'm writing only the power. So here is 0, here it is 1, and here it is 2. And what about the power of 6? It is minus 1 and it is minus 2, isn't it? Yeah. So how will you find out the corresponding decimal equivalent? You have to multiply 2 into 8 raised to 2 plus 5 into 8 raised to 1 plus 3 into 8 raised to 0 plus 6 into 8 raised to minus 1 plus 4 into 8 raised to minus 2, which is equal to 171.8125 to the base 10. And what about this number 172 to the base 8? Let's say the powers be 0, 1 and 2. So 1 into 8 raised to 2 plus 7 into 8 raised to 1 plus 2 into 8 raised to 0, which is equal to 2 plus 56 plus 64, that is 122 to the base 10. Here 3 into 8 raised to 0, 6 into 8 raised to 1, 2 into 8 raised to 2, 1 into 8 raised to 3, 7 into 8 raised to 4. And then you have to add up the products, which will give you 29,363 to the base 10. Now we will see how hexadecimal numbers can be converted into decimal numbers. Not octal, it is decimal. Hexadecimal numbers is converted into decimal. Yes. So what is the rule? You have to multiply with powers of 16. Then you have to add up the products. So you know these are the weight of um, digits in the hexadecimal number system. You have powers of 16. So towards left you have increasing powers and towards right you have decreasing powers. So let's say take an example. You have to convert 2A5, the base 16 to decimal. So how will you convert that? You have to convert by multiplying with its digit portions. So 5 into 16 raised to 0 plus a into 16 raised to 1 plus 2 into 16 raised to 2. So 5 into 16 raised to 0, 16 raised to 0 is 1. So 5 into 1, it is 5. And a into 16 raised to 1. What is a? You can see that a is decimal number 10. So 10 into 16, then 2 into 16 square. So you'll get the answer as 512 plus 160 plus 5. So it is 677 to the base 10. Let's see some more examples. Here it is 54.D2 to the base 16. You have to convert that to decimal. So let's write the power, the portions of the power. So this is 16 raised to 0. This is 16 raised to 1. This is 16 raised to minus 1. And this is 16 raised to minus 2. Yes. Now you have to multiply these digits with the powers of these portions. So 54.D to 16. So 5 into 16 raised to 1 plus 4 into 16 raised to 0 plus D into 16 raised to minus 1 plus 2 into 16 raised to minus 2. So again expanding it, you know that D is nothing but 13. You have seen that D is 13 and this is 80 plus 4 plus 0, 1, 0, 8.8125 plus 0.0078125. So which will give you 84.8203125. Yes. And second question is, how will you convert this E8F6.27 to the base 16 to decimal? So you can write with E into 16 raised to 3 plus 8 into 16 raised to 2 plus F into 16 raised to 1 plus 6 into 16 raised to 0 plus 2 into 16 raised to minus 1 plus 7 into 16 raised to minus 2. So the answer is 59638.1523437. Okay. And one more example. You need to convert A59C to the decimal number system. So you know that the power of A is 10 into 16 raised to 3, and for 5 it is 5 into 16 square, 9 into 16 raised to 1, and for C it is 12 into 16 raised to 0. Add up the product sum has to be added, and then the result is 42,396. Now let's see some more examples of converting binary to decimal, octal to decimal, hexadecimal to decimal, as well as any number system to decimal. So what is the basic rule? You have to, if you want to convert a number in any number system to decimal number system, you have to multiply every digit with its corresponding weights. Then you have to add up the products. So first one, this is a binary number system. So 10110.101. So you know that the bit portions has got the weights. It's in the powers of 2. So this is 2 raised to 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it is 0 into 2 raised to 0 plus 1 into 2 raised to 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to 2 plus 0 into 2 raised to 3 plus 1 into 2 raised to 4 plus 1 into 2 raised to minus 1 plus 0 into 2 raised to minus 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to minus 3. And we already know that we need to add up the weights which gives you the bit values as 1. So I'm taking only these values 2 plus 4 plus 16 plus 0.5 plus 0.125. The result is 22.625 to the base 10. Now, how will you convert 42.27 to the base 8? You have to multiply every digit of this number with the powers of 8 so that you will get the corresponding decimal value. So, 2 into 8 raised to 0 plus 4 into 8 raised to 1 plus 2 into 8 raised to minus 1 plus 7 into 8 raised to minus 2. The result is 34.3594 to the base 10. And what about 5a 1.49 to the base 16? So here you have to convert a number in hexadecimal number system to decimal. So what is the rule? You have to multiply every digit with the corresponding weight which is in the powers of 16. So 1 into 16 raised to 0 plus a, that is 10 into 16 raised to 1 plus 5 into 16 raised to 2 plus 4 into 16 raised to minus 1 plus 9 into 16 raised to minus 2, which is the answer 1441.285 to the base 10. And is it possible to have a number system with a base 4? Yes. All the digits that used in the number system will be less than 4, ranging from 0 to 4 minus 1, that is 0 to 3. So how will you convert a number in this system to decimal? You have to multiply with powers of 2 for every digits. So 3 into 4 raised to 0 plus 1 into 4 raised to 1 plus 0 into 4 raised to 2 plus 1 into 4 raised to 3 plus 2 into 4 raised to minus 1 plus 1 into 4 raised to minus 2. The answer is 71.5625 to the base 10. Okay. So I guess now you are clear with the converting any number in any number system to decimal number system. Okay. So please try to do these practice questions and let me know if you have any doubts. Thank you.